100
Oh,
cc's an hour.
oh. Major roads. Okay.
Well, could you not carry this?
This is the last shot I can take of her before she gets to the OR.
Okay.
And I don't know how to raise this other thing here.
It's a little pedal.
Okay.
I'm gonna go back and see if little Stanley ate, and I'll be right back. Okay, well, I gave her the bottle because she was sucking on it a few times. I said, try for like 5 and 5.
Somebody evidently was waiting for
Sorry, baby. Okay. What do you want?
this was not just some random shooting. This was a shooting that had all the characteristics of a very professional gun. This was a single shot, 25 caliber.
Daddy does a better job, doesn't he?
I can't say for absolute fact what happened to them. I wasn't there.
Daddy does a
Saying
better
that on the
job.
basis of what I'm
Daddy does a better job, doesn't he?
I think the odds on him having taken
Yeah,
his life
Daddy does a better job. Look at you, he's so angry.
Johnson was killed when no one was intended for me. I feel terrible. And I feel very awful for his wife.
What's going on?
There's so much evidence that these people were after Dawn instead of my husband. It wasn't a
Are you
gang-related
sleepy?
shooting or suicide or
You just
anything.
finished feeding.
It all kind of
So
fits
my
together.
baby
They were after
is
Dawn.
ready for bed again.
And my
Sleep,
husband
sleep,
just happened to be
sleep.
in the wrong place.
Oh, there you go. Yes, why are you eating your blanket? Mommy's not really good at this. Daddy does a better job. Oh, did you burp again? Oh. How's that? How's that? How's that? How do you like that? You're going to bed in a minute here.
Who knows about this? Who is not himself taking official actions to correct it? Clearly, US government.
Does he look like Grandpa?
This sort of thing. Then they damn well should
Grandpa
get
Vic
but some
or
distance.
Grandpa Ambrose? Oh, let's see. He's got Daddy's mouth. Look at those lips. Are they Daddy's lips? So you can kiss the baby. Not on the
Okay.
face.
Good night, baby. Good night.
Look at you. Barely up. It's in a daze. Oh, look at you. You're in such a daze, aren't you, baby?
Wake up. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
Hello. Say hi. I'm Daniel Vincent Broas.
Hello. Look at Daddy. Come on. Are you falling asleep on
He's
me?
falling asleep on you, hon.
Okay,
Wake up,
open your
wake up.
mouth.
Oh, there you
Open your mouth.
He's sleepy.
He's sleepy.
He's had a long day.
Okay. Open back to sleep. Oh, now he's opening his eyes.
Watch, when you turn the camera off, he's gonna open his eyes again. It's so slow now.
Uh-huh. What did we have today?
I had lasagna, salad, soup. Not that it's that appetizing. Rice Krispies, milk. And that's it.
And Mommy's gonna be discharged tomorrow.
I'm ready to go home.
And let me
There's my
see this
baby.
little fella here. He's asleep again.